I had the day off from work today, had some personal business to attend to. Got done early with that, and so took advantage of that extra time by doing something that we told you that we would, which is firing up the Yoder, the Loaded Wichita, and cook something. We're doing 2 racks of baby back ribs, guys, with hickory wood splits and Uncle Steve's shake. Man, guys, it's rocking right now. I just wrapped them. I used a secret ingredient. It's not secret, guys. It's pork fat, pork tallow, whatever you want to call it. And instead of using like brown sugar and Dr. Pepper and all this other stuff to make your rib a one-hit wonder, one bite. But after that, it's just too extreme. Good backyard barbecue, Uncle Steve's shake, and some pork fat. That's it, guys. So when we wrapped up, we just poured some melted pork fat in there and wrapped it up with pink butcher paper instead of foil. I usually use foil. This time it's just pink butcher paper and pork fat. And right now we're finishing them off. Guys, back there. See that, but it's a beautiful night here in Central Coast, California, near the ocean. It's probably only 60 degrees, and tomorrow's February 1st. I know you folks on the East Coast, man, just had a blizzard. Godspeed you guys and stuff like that, but you know how to work with a snowplow, I'm sure. But anyway, guys. Hey, come over here. Let me show you. I'll show you what I'm talking about, guys. Just about, that's all the wood I got left, actually. It's cookie wood. There's hickory. Nice fire going on there. I even use some post oak chunks. So right here, I got just over 300, maybe 290, almost 300, and right here 250 or so. Yep, they're wrapped. So guys, if you guys want to actually see those ribs, tune in this weekend on Sunday. I usually upload about Sunday, so we'll upload this on Sunday midday or so right here at Greenhornbbq. And tell me what you think. Jets, guys. I live near a naval air station. I don't know if you can hear that, but that's the sound of freedom. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to show you what we were doing, and sorry for the sound of freedom. It was kind of loud. It's F-18. Anyway, guys, really like if you guys subscribe to the channel. Tell me what you guys are barbecuing, and if you're in the snow, if you're in inclement weather, hey, post a little photo over at my Facebook page, Greenhornbbq Beer Discussions, and show us how you guys are getting through this winter barbecuing. I know you guys are still barbecuing, so show me what you guys got going on. And anyway, guys, we'll see you on the next one, and peace out.